Good morning everyone. My name is Shania. I study in grade 4B. Today I am going to tell you about ascending order. When we arrange the numerals from smallest to greatest, it is known as ascending order.
Good morning everyone. My name is Parnika Singhal. Today I am going to tell you about descending order. When we arrange the numerals from greatest to smallest, that is known as descending order.
Hey, let's do an activity and learn. Anna, can you please arrange these numbers in ascending order?
Yes. It's done.
You have done very well.
Siti, can you please arrange these numbers descending order?
Yes.